Are you excited to go inside Buc-ee's?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Before the other day, Kara never been to a Buc-ee's.
I still kind of feel like I haven't been to Buc-ee's because I was half asleep.
Yeah, it was like 1 o'clock in the morning. So this one just got built, like just opened like last year. When I was driving the truck, I used to always see the signs of when it was coming. Because I worked for Prime Inc. and it was like just right around the corner here. So here we go, baby, inside a Buc-ee. Yeah, let's go get a picture of Buc-ee. Do you need it? Let's get a picture of both of us. Stay right there.
Look at all the people.
It is. It was empty when we came last time. I think I'm gonna go ahead and give me a Buc-ee shirt.
Yeah, might as well.
Yeah.
Cute.
This is all the ladies' clothes. Jewelry. See anything you want? Being a functional adult every day seems a bit excessive. Mom, a title above being a queen. I lost you. Let's look at these shirts over here. Oh, you wanna? Oh, we have a Missouri. but not a Buc-ee's. Want a pool noodle? Bottoms up drawers. Gas clock. So funny.
That was a conversation I had like 14 years ago.
I'm sad I didn't get the final video. I have to come back and I'm
There's some Buc-ee's magnets.
Okay.
$5. Everyone has beef with Buc-ee's. Yeah, I'll get this one. I'll get this one. Everyone has beef with Buc-ee's. See that right there? You do? I like you.
I like you.
Wow.
Because she has a game or a track meet the day before.
They have Buc-ee's golf shirts.
Sorry.
We're gonna see if they got my sandwich before.
They have someone dressed up as
Alright, I guess I'll get a 360 view right here. Yeah. extremely crowded in here.
No, they stop at 11:30.
That's what I Let me look for.
Oh yeah, I don't see that burrito there. I want. Guess I'll get a 3-meat sandwich. Let me see. We got Carolina pulled pork, 3-meat sandwich, sausage, brisket, and turkey. I don't see my burrito. Okay, I get another 360 view from over here.
Take your time.
There's another 360 view. Then I'll get some. Come on. Almonds, cashews, or pecans. I think I'll get cashews. And I'll try some of this free popcorn. See what it's like. I think I'm gonna try one of those 3-meat.
Yes, they're all like that.
One of those 3-meat sandwiches. Since they don't have my burrito. Ooh, $12.99. That's expensive. Well, you only live once. Do they have like to-go barbecue sauce? All right, thank you. Barbecue sauce?
Yeah. Yep, right here.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you. Barbecue sauce. I guess I'll try some jalapenos too. And I've seen the lost Kara. Oh, there she is. Oh, you're singing. I'm gonna go out to the car. Take your time. I'm gonna fly your drone around and stuff, okay?
Okay, what did you get? Did you already pay for it now?
No, I'm going to pay for it
Oh,
right
okay.
here. All right, I'll see you out there. I think I gotta go on this side. There's less people.
Oh, sorry.
You're fine.
I was in the looking at the corner counter. How did you find the only one without it?
How you doing?
How about yourself?
Good. I got some jalapenos.
Alrighty, they will cost 29 cents.
Okay. Let me sit this down. Get myself together.
I know I've seen people come through just say that they're running, so I couldn't tell you where they're at.
Oh, and this.
Perfect, alright.
11:32.
Perfect, thank you. 44.14. I'll get you another bag for the third one.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, 44.14 for you. Alrighty, you are all set. You have
Thank
a
you.
wonderful day.
You do the same. Thank you. Take care. Okay, so that was my little trip to Buc-ee's, the newest Buc-ee's in America, in Springfield, Missouri. So now I'm going to go back to the car, and I am going to fly the drone around to see this beautiful big Buc-ee's. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, please. I don't have that many subscribers right now, but I need some. So please go ahead and like and subscribe on the channel, and I can bring you many more videos like this or better. Until later, talk to you later.